Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, TECHMENOT, and today we're going to be reviewing Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Alright, so before this I've had the XS, which is an iPhone, and now I'm moving over to the Android because, I decided that it was time for a little change, because I've had this phone for quite a long time now, for I guess you can say a year and a half. And so I was kind of saying that, my friends told me that Androids, are getting better, so I'm like, you know what, might as well try it out for myself and see how this goes. So, this is just the box, right, all black, just, classic Samsung. Yep, so as soon as we open it, see the phone on top, as such. And then, we'll get back to the phone later, but inside you see this right here. You see this Samsung. You can say a little package, right? They give you a SIM ejecting tool, which we can be using later, and I believe that's it for the package. And yeah, so here's the phone. There's a little pull tab, so we can get the phone out, and I'll just put it to the side as of right now. And so now back to the box. So we will be getting the fast charging dock. This has a couple placement boxes. Now here's be your USB Type-C charging cable that you charge your device with, and here are the AKG headphones. Now these aren't your normal headphones; these are USB Type-C headphones, right? And that's how they look. And then. So now we'll put the headphones to the side. You also get these customizable ear tips for people that have bigger or smaller ears. For me, I'd be keeping the medium tips on because I believe that's what would fit my ear. But over time, I would change if they don't. It's kind of good, you can customize them. And so here's the cable that you get it with. So this is a cable. I would say this is not too long, not too small. This is standard, I guess. I believe 3 feet. So it's USB Type-C to Type-C. You can plug it either way, right? And so I'll leave it to the side as well. And now to the phone. Here's what the phone looks like in hand, right? Of course, there is only one color option, which is gray. And here's this right here. And yeah, there's a little camera cut out right there, and all around it looks really premium. It feels premium as well. Yeah. Pretty good for my hands, because my hands really pretty big, so I can usually grip this with one hand perfectly. If I need to, I can use 2 hands, right? Alright guys, so this would be the end of the video, and make sure to like, subscribe, and also share this video with your friends.